Alright guys, today we are going to be installing the Stickers4u Bronco Windshield decal. This one is actually 30 inches. It has the font of the new Bronco lettering there, as you can see, with a Bronco on each edge. And we do also have the Heritage Bronco is a little shorter. It's a 24-inch sticker with the Bronco on each end, so check the description for that. And we're going to go ahead and get this put on. So I already measured out up here, as you can see, the Bronco windshield's about 52 inches across, and so I measured over 26 inches and put a piece of tape right there so we know where the middle is. And then on the sticker here, we measured over 15 inches because it's a 30-inch and put our mark right there. So we'll line that up with the blue tape so we can get it somewhat centered there, and let's go ahead and get it put on. Alright guys, so when you're peeling the transfer tape back, it's a good thing to use a squeegee and go over this to get it really sticky. Make sure it's solid, especially when they come in the box. They'll be rolled up a little bit, so you want to smooth that out as best you can. Make sure that transfer tape's sticking to the decal underneath. As you can see, when we go ahead and take this off, we're going to peel it back here, kind of like just kind of peel back like that. Try not to touch the white parts as you go down. And if there's any piece in the decal that doesn't come off, you can kind of use like a sticky motion up and down to try and pick it up off the backing. And as you can see there, make sure when you're doing that you don't let it touch each other, because this one is a longer decal, so it has a tendency to roll. All right, we got it all off. So there is our decal right there, and we are going to get up on the, I have a if you want to see here, a little step ladder there. That's how I'm going to get up there to be able to reach that. So next is put it on. All right guys, so this one's a little longer, can be a little tricky getting this on here, but I am going to line up that mark there so we're kind of centered, and then start from the left and go over here. And I got my squeegee here. The nice thing about this one is that the letters are so far apart that you can really get them on there nicely without messing it up. Letter by letter. And our last horse over here. You could switch sides, might be a little easier if you're not super tall or have long arms like I do. But we'll just go over each letter here, like that. Once you feel that you've got a nice and rubbed here so it'll adhere, and we're going to peel it off. I'm actually going to grab it from over here and just kind of peel at an angle. Just like that, guys. If you see any little wrinkles or bubbles, you can try and iron those out, but I think actually this thing turned out really good for our first attempt there. As I didn't probably say in the beginning, but you want to make sure that the windshield's nice and clean before you start this. Just clean it good with some glass cleaner and make sure it's really dry. But there it is, guys. Link in the description to the store if you guys want to pick one up. We have quite a few different colors, so you can go and check out all the color options. You can do it white and silvers, reds, oranges, all of those. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you got any questions, leave a comment below, and have a good one.